Yo, people, then I went to a press briefing with the guys at Motorola the other day, and I finally got some hands-on time with the brand new Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. Let's talk about it. Yeah, guys, so I can't lie, this was quite a fun press briefing. We got invited down to the Twist Museum in Oxford Street, central London. They gave us some propaganda about the phones. Anyway, let's get straight into the Ultra thing. Now, starting off with the design, there's no denying Motorola are not playing around. They got the Pantone collaboration going on at the moment. Everything is looking sleek. Look at that camera bump, bro. That's definitely looking like a 1,000+ smartphone right there. And everything is looking and feeling like it's got good build quality. I think Motorola have definitely won in the design department this time. Now, the spec sheet for the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra was looking crazy. They're talking processor wise, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 16GB of RAM or 12GB of RAM, 1TB or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage cuz. Even the specs for the camera were giving Google Pixel levels of finesse, fam. They're talking 3 different sensors, 50 megapixel for the main sensor, 50 megapixel for the ultra wide, 64 megapixel for the telephoto, and we've got 50 megapixel on the front as well. All of them can do 4K 60 maximum video. Fam, it's looking good right here, I can't lie. Now, unfortunately, the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra is not releasing at the same time in the UK as the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So I didn't get a sample to take home and have a thorough play around with. I thought I would just show you my first hands-on impression. And my first hands-on impression is that this thing is looking up to be a serious phone this 2024, especially the fact that it's coming in at £849. I think that's a steal for the amount of tech that you're getting inside. Now again, I don't know if this is a limited time offer, so double check with Motorola on their website, but you also get the Moto Buds Plus free with every purchase of the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. And I've actually been playing around with these. I'm going to do a separate video on them because these things are not messing around. There's actually some good audio that you can get from these buds, even at 129 standalone to buy them by themselves. That sound by Bose is definitely something. But anyway, people, I just wanted to give you a quick hands-on first impressions with the Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. Hopefully, when they get some review samples available, man can give you guys the full lowdown. But right now, everything is looking promising. But obviously, it's on display. It's going to be working perfectly. I need to get it in a real-world situation to see what's really good. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell because I'm going to be also covering the Edge 50 Pro and the Edge 50 Fusion from the guys at Motorola. So yeah, if you're interested in them Edge 50 series things, make sure you stay locked.